It's a dog craft. Not crazy. Isn't that cool though? Like Mom, like you can record just from the screen. I don't know. I just found it real cool. So I've been working on a park for the dogs. So I only put this here, but I thought it was like really ugly. And the dogs, these are snow dogs, so they can't survive unless they're either in water, like really cool. And what I was thinking is put some vines right here, let it grow. But I was going to put like an area where the dogs could swim and have some fun back here. But today we are supposed to be mating one of my dogs with another, but I have to go find some dogs. Oh, this is where Summer, Violet, and Dexter live currently. Oops. It's like really beautiful down here. But I need to get more dogs, so we're going to be naming some dogs today. But we have to get some other wolves to put. So we're just having 3 right now because don't want to make too many dogs because then they get overwhelmed and then they can't have any more kids. The mud. So what I was going to do is get Summer, Violet, and Dexter today. But I don't know. Shh, Tawan, please. So, I was just trying to clear out some space for the waterfall and put some cool things over here because I want the dogs to still have fun. But the dogs that are Summer are going to have to come over here where the stand is. And the dogs that, Tawan, and the dogs that are, that are Snow are going to go over here. Because I just thought it was a really cute idea. And so, I don't know who we're mating today, actually. Because I know that we got another dog last episode. We had another dog last episode. And that dog was, what was that dog? Oh, that dog was sitting there for so many weeks. And I didn't know. And I felt so like a horrible person. But today we have to wash our dogs too. So, we have a lot of things to do to our dogs today. Because this is so cute. It's like a snow area. Okay, so to block me, so I'm going to have to put blinds there. I don't think I have it. Okay, yes I do. So, I'm going to turn. Okay. Oops. Let's go to our secret area and go mate our dogs. But I don't know where I want to mate them. Well, I'll get 2 pairs of dogs. One of them will stay in there, where all the other dogs are, and one of them will go down there. I don't know, actually. I'll see. They'll be living with me until I make an extra room. I need to change that. I'll change it soon. But right now, put some vines there. Make some vines grow right here. Because I want to make this out of bricks. Okay. Okay, there we go. Orangeria and Candy Apple. Today I will be having the most beautiful baby. Okay, I have some raw beef. Yes, I do. I need to. Oh, you don't have anybody to meet with. Sorry, Candy Apple. We're going out manhunting right now because I really need a baby to add in here. Wait, Prince. Oh God, Miss Sparkle Princess Bud. And I got a name today too. I have a lot of things to do today. I guess we'll make this episode. Next episode, we'll see how the babies turn out. Aqua, Miss Princess. Aqua and Miss Princess, but I don't know. You'll mate with I don't know. Who will you mate with? Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I need to go see if I have any dogs. Because I only have those 3. I could have sworn I had more. I think they all died, though. Oh, guys. We don't have dogs, right? Let's go to the dog park. Well, the dog adoption center. It's a dog park, too. So you could take your dogs there, and it's a dog adoption. So let's go adopt some dogs. Oops. Oh, there we go. Oops. Let's just get in.
Well, you're going to have to wait. I'm trying to clean these books.
There's no dogs in the dog park. Looks like we gotta go out in the wilderness and look for dogs today. Because I want to get a dog that doesn't have a home. That's like really far away. So let's go look. Because I know that there's many dogs that I could adopt. But I don't know where they are. I don't see any.
Come on so we can go.
Well, I found one. There's only one. I don't understand. There's only one. Like I'm gonna drown. But I'm in creative. Wait, oops. What happened? I already drowned. Which one's alone and scared?
Sit on the couch. Come on so I can put your sandwich.
Yes. Come with me. Oh wait, I only fed you. I'm sorry. Guys, I'm gonna need bones. Okay, bones. Hey, cute doggy. You're mine. Yes. Oops, sorry.
You got a better house than me.
Yes, I do. The only reason I do is because you don't know how to build.
Hey, come on, wait. Let's get some water.
More dogs.
Your plants. Let's go.
That are dead. Mine can't be fixed because.
So, and then you get this.
Hey, doggy! Oh my God, y'all all alone. Y'all in a water pack. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, hey.
Come on, Carly, get to the car.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, so, let's tame this dog.
Carly, we need to fix those shorts. They look like they're stuck in your butt.
Okay, Mom.
Come on. Calm down.
Okay. Guys, so, I'm gonna have to see y'all next episode. I'm sorry. Wait, is this my dog? I don't want any of my dogs to drown. So, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. Come in here. Oh, look at all these y'all. Y'all are so cute. So, guys, I didn't really success on my mission that I really wanted to accomplish, but hey. Y'all are like, what is she doing? What am I doing? Don't know. Oh no. Y'all are all stuck down here, but it's so cool. Huh? No. It's so hot in here. Oh, gonna come back into the adoption center. Okay, all y'all sit. One of y'all needs to sit. One of y'all needs to sit. Okay, stop trying to leave me. Stop trying to leave me. And hi.
I know you play Minecraft.
Come on. Be quiet. Please. Come on.
I know.
So guys, we're gonna just need a couple of dogs in the adoption center.
What?
These are like gonna be for the little pups and their mothers. But we need lots of dogs. Because I want to have as many as we can. Oh my god, did I just hit all of them? No, I didn't. I didn't do that. I can't believe I just did that. They're gonna hate me. Maybe I can calm them down, like, but how? That's so crazy.
Calm them down with some bones.
They're all mad at me.
They're the bones. Do the bones then.
Guys, y'all really have to make me kill y'all? Oh, yeah, so mean to me.
It's too many, Kaya. That's even good. You need to tell them more. It's too many.
I'm sorry, guys.
It's too... No, that's too hard.
Oh, you weren't mad at me, were you? I just
Huh?
killed you on purpose.
It's okay, Kaya. You did that next time. Dogs in the... Let the shoot them.
No, I'm
You
so
did
small.
more dogs.
I don't have your seatbelt on. Come on.
I'm ready for you.
You don't need to wait for me.
No.
I'll buy you my seat. I'm not waiting for you.
I have to get all new dogs because I hit one of them. And it's on at me now.
My seatbelt.
This is great.
I didn't wait. Will you come?
Okay. Hi, dogs.
You bring my tablet? No. Bring it then.
Why? I hit one of you on accident.
Bring my tablet. One more tablet. Oh my god. Take tablet. What?
I hit all one of you on accident.
It's beautiful. Mama, stop it. That's a good deal.
That's the end of this episode. That episode turned up.